Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Joyful Noise. Today we are going to learn how to draw a standing and sleeping line. Standing and sleeping line are the basic lines which are used in the formation of alphabets as well as numbers. So let's start with standing line first. First of all, child is required to hold the pencil properly like this as shown in the video with the help of these two fingers and this thumb like this. Okay, so first 2 days you can make the child practice drawing a standing line free hand, like either on this kind of whiteboard or the paper like this. You can tell the child like the way they are standing. This is a standing position. So this is a standing line. You can use different objects to make them understand the standing position, like show them pencil in this position. This is a standing line. You can show this pen as a standing line. Okay, after a day or a two you start the 4-line notebook practice like this. You can give the dots to the child first 2 days and tell the child to join the dots and see what it is. Yes, it's a standing line. This makes the child to learn to draw the standing line properly. Initially, it may be not as straight, but gradually the child learns to draw it properly. Like this. So this is all we know about how to draw the standing line. Yes. On first 4 lines of the notebook, give dots to the child like this. After that, child is able to join these 3 dots and make standing line. Now you give only 2 dots, one on the bottom and one on the top. Instead of giving 3 dots, you can give 2 dots, one on the red line and another on the blue line. Like this. Yeah. Then make sure the child practice this standing line 3 to 4 days. This is a easy one. The child doesn't require much time. After this, we are going to start with the sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line is like this, starting from the left to the right. Left to the right. Left to the right. Yes. This is the way to start the sleeping line. In the same manner, child is required to do 2 days freehand sleeping line practice without any 4-line notebook. After a day or a two, you start practice of sleeping line on the 4-line notebook. like this. In the same way, you give dots to the child, 3 dots starting from the left to the right, and ask the child to join these dots and make sleeping line. Ask the child what is the position of sleeping? Laying down, like this. This is a sleeping line example. Like this, this is a sleeping line example. In the same way, start with the 3 dots, gradually give 2 dots to the child and ask them to join the dots. This is the way you can learn sleeping and the standing line. Finally, within a week, a child will be able to draw sleeping and standing line without any problem. So that's all for today's video, friends. Thanks for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you soon with the next video. Bye and take care.